In material testing lab, universal testing machine is used to find the tensile strength of the steel, compressive and flexural strength of concrete. Moreover, it also facilitates to find modulus of plasticity of material. Engineering Mechanics Lab is used to impart basic concepts to undergraduate students regarding forces interaction, equilibrium analysis, and momentum. This lab is also used to verify the laws of mechanics. The Surveying Lab has the facilities to deal with different practicals related to surveying and leveling. Various types of surveys are done by using latest equipment like total stations, theodolites, and auto levels. This lab has sufficient equipment available for conducting survey camp. The department has spacious drawing hall which can accommodate more than 60 students at a time. It is also used to impart knowledge regarding engineering drawing and drafting. Department of Mechanical Engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is a new addition to the Faculty of Engineering. Launched from the fall 2008 semester in the newly constructed campus of University situated at Ring Road, Peshawar, for which permission was sought from the Pakistan Engineering Council during its zero-level visit to the department in April 2009. The department has developed 6 well-equipped laboratories comprising engineering workshop, thermodynamics, material testing, computer or CAD, and fluid mechanics. A 100 tons capacity universal testing machine has also been purchased for the material testing laboratory, which is a valuable addition to the laboratory facilities. In the engineering workshop, students are imparted training to use simple production machines such as lathe machine, drilling machine, grinding machine, shaper, planer, and milling machine. In the laboratory of thermodynamics, students study and perform experiments on different types of engines such as petrol, diesel, and CNG. In the laboratory of material testing, students perform different types of tests such as tension, compression, and torsion on different engineering materials. In the computer or CAD laboratory, students learn computer programming and computer-aided drafting. In the laboratory of engineering mechanics, students study the relationship between applied forces and resulting motion of mechanical systems. In the laboratory of fluid mechanics, students study and test fluid machinery such as turbines. The department has been making steady progress since its inception, and it is expected that in the due course of time, it will develop into one of the most demanding programs of the Faculty of Engineering. Department of Pharmacy. PharmD program was started in 2004. Initially, 40 students were enrolled. Now the total strength of the department is about 600 students. The degree is recognized by the Pakistan Pharmacy Council. The first batch has completed its studies and has been awarded degrees in the 6th convocation held on 10th April 2010. The department has well-established labs with state-of-art equipment where students are trained by the qualified faculty and experienced technical staff members. In Pharmacognosy lab, the students study and practically perform the physical, chemical, biochemical and biological properties of drugs and drug substances of natural origin. In Pharmacology lab, the students study and practically perform the act of drug in vivo as well as in vitro. Different objects are used for this purpose to identify the pharmacological effect, toxicity, drug interaction and dose calculation. The students study and practically perform the manufacturing of drugs on small scale. Various machines are available which are also present at industrial level to make sure the practical experience of students. In Chemistry lab, the students study and practically perform the synthesis of various pharmaceutically important compounds and study their properties, identification, purification, melting point and boiling point. In pharmaceutics lab, the students study and practically perform the manufacturing of various pharmaceuticals, various pharmaceutical doses, forms at all small level, the various tests, assays and quality control tests. Library managed by qualified librarian and friendly staff. The University Library is an excellent educational resource for enhancement of knowledge. It provides an ample range of materials to help the students in their academic pursuits. The library has a compilation of 32,000 titles, subscription to a large number of journals, periodicals, and magazines offer the students an opportunity to remain current about the latest trends in education and research. Access to the HEC Digital Library is a vast resource of advancement knowledge covering thousands of international journals or periodicals and e-books. In addition, the library maintains a wide range of specialized information including publications of international and national organizations and statistical data and government documents. Online research facilities and access to the internet are conveniently available to teachers as well as students. Cafeteria. The university has a spacious cafeteria of international standard, providing hygienic food on subsidized rates. Town campus is located at 36B Chinar Road, University Town. It currently houses Faculty of Management Sciences, Entrepreneurship, Development Center, Department of Chemistry, evening sessions of different programs, and a full-fledged admissions office. Admission office remains open throughout the day to provide information to the prospective students on telephone and in person. At Sarhad University, we look forward to you and welcome you to step into bright future. The university can be accessed at www.soot.edu.pk.